In this video, I want to show you how to do a print head cleaning on your Epson ET-3850. In case you're getting results where the image or whatever you're trying to print has white lines or some ink is missing, let me show you how it's done on the control panel over here. So first press the home button, and then all we have to do is to go with the right arrow until we select maintenance. Press OK. And then we have over here, print head cleaning is the second option. If we highlight it, press OK, it will ask us to make sure that we have some A4 size paper or US letter size paper loaded in the printer, and then press start. It will do a simple print head cleaning. It takes, I think, 2-3 minutes, and hopefully after doing this, the results will improve. Now, if I go back, you also have the choice to do a power cleaning. Power cleaning is a print head cleaning, but it will take a longer amount of time. And it's also, as I say, more powerful. So if your printer is really clogged up, choose power cleaning instead. Now, I need to warn you, no matter which you choose, it will use some ink. So if I take a look over here at the ink tanks of this printer, all right, if every time you do a print head cleaning, this level will go down. Not by much, it won't go from a line to another, but definitely you're gonna see the ink levels dropping. If you do a power cleaning, you need to have at least enough ink, okay, to cover the first line. If you have less than this, unfortunately, I don't recommend it, since you will almost be dried out. So this is just something to keep in mind. You cannot do unlimited power cleanings or unlimited print heads without consequences, because once your ink drops and drops, this also means that your waste pad located right over here, okay, this is, imagine it's like a garbage where all the wasted ink goes. Well, this will fill up and you will need to replace it once it fills up. So if you do too many power cleanings or print head cleanings, you will have to buy another one of that and yeah, replace it. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please leave a like. If it wasn't, just leave a comment, tell me why it wasn't. I'm always curious. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks and have a beautiful day.